This one's going to be a bit of a tight squeeze. Got a problem on this one where the customer finds up water pouring through the ceiling. The cold water storage system has split. The only problem is you're not going to get the same size up there. Luckily, there is a solution. So I'm going to show you how to replace a cold water storage system for a polytank, or as it's commonly known as a coffin tank. So hopefully this video will help you out if you ever come across this situation. So thank you again for your support, really appreciate it. If you haven't yet, think about subscribing, it really helped me out. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments, I'll do my best to answer them. Don't forget to give the video a like. Yeah, let's take a look at this coffin tank. I'll just show you up in the loft. Here's the old tank, just there. Let me just get over there and I'll show you inside. Yeah, split somewhere on the bottom. You wouldn't want to be having a bath in that anyway, would you? So I'm just hoping the new one will fit through there, because that's a tight gap and a tight roof. So yeah, we'll see. Yeah, bit of a tight squeeze on this one, but let's set the ladders up on the axis and let's get the tank up and just give it a try. That's all we can do is give it a try, eh? So wish me luck. It's a bit bigger than what I thought, so I'm hoping it'll go up there. Let's have a go. You beaut. I was a bit worried then, to be honest with you, but fit like a glove. Don't know what I was worried about. Sorted. So now we've got the new tank up here. I'm just cutting away the old one, so I've just got off the cold feed, open vent there. There was a feed just there, but there's another one just around the back there. And one thing I've noticed, look at the board. I'm gonna have to reboard this. That is gone. So I'm just gonna do that connection around there, get this one out of the way. What do you think that is? That looks like asbestos to me, so I'm just going to leave that well alone. That new tank is not coming down. It's going to be put somewhere at the back of the loft, because you're going to get that down there. It was hard enough getting that up, so I'm going to do that connection, get that out of the way, and get some boards down in here. Tank's out of the way. I think that's our cold feed connection, that one. I think that one there is doing an old shower, but yeah, it was close to disaster, this one was. It really was. So let's get this wood out of the way. We'll build a new frame ready for the new tank. So we're just setting ourselves up now, a nice little base for our coffin tank. The pipe that was there, the 2 feeds, that was to an old shower, so I've just cut that out. Got some loft boards up and I'm just going to screw these down now. That big light and my fan, they're my 2 best friends on loft jobs. One to keep me cool, and that's the uni light. The big one, that's really good, that is, fits me the wall batteries. So yeah, just going to screw this down now. See without this in a bit. I might cut that off down there, put a bend on it, I don't know. I'll just see where the coffin tank fits in a bit. But yeah, let's get this screwed down. There we go. Tank's all in, base all in, just about fitted on the base. I've had to chop down the feed to the cylinder there. But yeah, I've moved my lights up there as well, give me a bit more light. It's how nice working up here though, really, eh? Yeah, you can see the sweat's dripping off, mate. Time filming this, we've just had the 2 hottest days of the year, so today is very muggy. I am dying up here. I have to keep going down to have breaks, but tank's all in. I'm just going to figure out what I'm going to do with that feed pipe now. The other side's fine, it's cold in and the vent really easy, but obviously I don't want to be soldering right down there with all this insulation up here, so I think I'm going to have to use compression or speed fit on that. Oh no, don't judge me. But yeah, let's see what I can do about putting another sport in here, maybe just here. Yeah, I'll probably do that. It's going to make it easier for me to work anyway. Right, so I've got this board in now, extension piece on there, so that's ready for the fill. Yeah, I can open this up, and all my kit for this will be there. Yeah, so I'm just going to get the kit out now, see what we got, and look at connecting it up. So for that connection, it's 50mm off the base, Then you got this connection here. I'm just going to feed that through there. Then you can connect on this nut here, and that will seal it on with that rubber washer there, and that'll be the fill to the cylinder. So I'm just going to put that through there. Just like that. Tighten that on. There you go, compression nut. I'll go onto there, then we can shoot that across. Connect onto there. It's nice and easy. The polytank does come with all the instructions here, all your measurements, where everything needs to go and everything. So it's nice and easy to follow. But that's the connection. What I want to do is get this half done at the back of here. I can get back over there then with all my stuff. So yeah, let's see how we're going to do this. It's going to be a bit tight. Maybe it should be alright. And so I'm going to use, I've used compression there because obviously I'm in a loft, there's all this insulation about. I don't want to catch or nick nothing, but I should be alright to solder up above this board now. It might be a bit tricky there. I might use compression, I don't know. Let's see how I feel in a bit, but first thing I want to do is tighten this up before I forget. Use a spanner, not a pair of grips as well. Do as I say, not as I do. There you go. Nice and tight. Right, and that's ready there to connect on. I'm just going to get me some fittings. Yeah, we'll have to pull that back after there, connect up to there. That should be alright. That's that all in now. We're finished on this area, so we can move everything now to over there. It is warm now, I'm glad I got that today. Alright, back over the other side. So what we've got to do now is drill a 22mm hole somewhere across here. Obviously I'm going to keep the ball valve somewhere in this access here. So I'm thinking drill it there. That's 60mm from the top. The warning pipe, which will be at the side, the overflow, that'll be 90mm, so it's going to be lower. So yeah, just going to use a 22mm bit now and drill straight through there. So the ball valve's all together. Just put the ball on and we can just feed that through the hole there. Just like that. There should be a plate. Where's that gone? There we go. And do you know why that plate goes on there? It's to distribute the weight of the ball continuously moving up and down. So the weight A just pressurised on one, it will spread the load. Somewhere underneath, just tighten that up. Make sure the ball valve is straight inside. So I don't think I'm going to get a good angle on. I'll show you later though. But yeah, tighten that up. Then we can get the service valve on there. Connect on to our cold pipe here. We've got our service valve. Let's get you on. So that'll just connect straight onto there. Then we can just, oh yeah, we can just come elbow straight in. Happy days. Just come out to the van. I think we'll have to sort something out with that outflow. It's a bit long at the moment. Right, so fast forward a little bit. I've done the vent pipe, so that's just a 29mm, 28mm done fine. That 28mm hole in there. I've just cut the vent pipe down, put a couple of in, and over there is the breather. Again, it's just the same as what I did for the outlet connection. Nice and simple. The cold elbow down. That's all I've got to do now. Solder that up, and that's the cold all connected. And the ball clock's spinning. Brilliant. There we go. That's the cold all connected, all done. Just give that a bit of a polish. Get all that flux off. Just wipe my nuts. No one likes dirty nuts. There we go. Sorted. So moving on to the overflow, we've got a 28mm hole through there. And we've got this connection here. That can come out. And that feeds through that way. No, though, feeds through that way. 5 volts there. That through there. Then we can get inside. Just tighten it up. Then that stem elbow. Just slots in there. As you can see, it just goes down below the water level, lower than our cold feed, and that should connect into there. And actually cut some of that off so it actually comes on a full. Get off that. There we go. Just take the nut off there. Should have, yep, sealing washer. That's it. Oh, wrong way. Nut on first. Then your sealing washer. Just connect onto there. Tighten that right up. And there we go. So, outflow, cold fill, breather, vent, and we've got our cold feed over there and cold feed to the tank. So, just going to make sure all these are tight now. Then we can fill it up. So that outflow is the same as what it was before. You see there's a couple on there, so that's the way it was before. Still sticks out a bit, to be honest with you. I suppose it is what it is. I'm roasting up there, honestly. I've had 2 loft jobs this week too. One was a system clean on the Monday, that was about 29 degrees. Today is about 22, 23. A2 bad, but it's still bloody warm up there. I have to keep going down to have water breaks and God knows what. It is roasting up there. So I've just turned the water on in there. Let's go up. Make sure we've got no leaks. Looking good. Let's just scooch over here. Oh, I hate working in lofts. Good work out though. Right. Here we go. Maiden void. See what happens. Shut that up. Right. First place is going to be a leak. If there's going to be any, is on that connection. So everything else is fine. Just got to wait a while now to last fill up. There we go. That's it all filled up now. You can see I've got the jacket on. Leave the instructions there. Final lid to go on. Put that lid on. Then just 2 bits of wood from there. Just get them out the way. And there we go. That is the tank all done. Near enough. So just inside here where the cold is, I've just filled it full of insulation. Now I thought these come with the top one of these, but it don't. It just comes with that. So I've just wrapped it around, tied it on, insulation underneath there. Yeah, I can use that insulation there to put on there, but that's the tank all done. Just going to flush out the taps now. I'm going to have to turn this off, it's blowing all that insulation all over me. Ugh. There we go. Coffin tank all fitted, new boarding. Well happy with that. That's it, that's what's all done on that one. That wasn't too bad in the end, to be fair. It really wasn't. Let's say with them tanks, the big one that we had to take out, what they'll normally do is they'll build the house. Before they put the roof in, they'll chuck the tank in loft so it's there ready. Then they'll board. So obviously you're never going to get it out unless you cut it in half. And you ain't going to get the same size up there. But then polytanks come in all different range sizes. So they are really good. If you've got a situation like that, you need to replace a cold water tank, you can get them in the loft. To say that one was quite tight. It just about got up there. I was worried it wasn't going to fit at one point, but we got it up there. They come in handy as well if you have a shower pump fitted or anything like that. So you can add them onto the system. So you just have to build the boarding like we did and pipe them all up. All you do then is link one tank to another for a shower pump. I say it's a good option if you ever have a cold water storage system split like that. Then polytanks are really good. So I hope that's helped you out. Thank you very much for your support. Really appreciate it. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll catch you on the next one.